Welcome back to the newest episode of the Christmas Give Back series. I hope you guys have been enjoying, and hopefully I'll do this next year. I'm just making gifts for other people, and hopefully maybe if we can get enough subscribers soon by the end of the year, maybe I will give a gift and do a giveaway for you guys. But this is the newest episode and got a little bit of festive gear, but the elves are the one that make presents, so let's just change it up. Okay, that's a little bit better right now. So, in this episode, I have decided to make a play button, for my cousin Plupo, because he is about to hit 10,000 subscribers, which is a big milestone, and that would be a bronze play button, but YouTube doesn't have bronze play buttons, so I decided to put it in my own hands to do that. And I made a design, and, I did it, but first, let me show you the materials that we've gotten for this. I just finished. It was actually really hard to find these materials. I got all the materials though at Michael's, and then I used my photoshopping skills to Photoshop and make the award, which is actually really good. You'll see that in a sec. But first, on the background of the YouTube award, there's kind of this mirror piece, so we need a small mirror to do that. And at Michael's, all the materials you see in this video at Michael's, here you see me recording, but we got this small little mirror, and it's the perfect size. It was actually really hard because a lot of the mirrors there, they were on the shelf, were cracked, and this was like the perfect one. It's a little dusty, but I'll fix it. But then, like, you're thinking that's just the mirror part. Well, we looked, and this is bronze cardstock. This is real cardstock paper that you can actually print with. And it has this really cool bronze design, and I really like it. It was really hard to find at first. I was thinking about printing it out, but it really wouldn't turn out good with color ink, and it would really be hard to really get that real bronze feel. And this really is textured and really has a really good design. If you want to go to Michael's, you can get all these design if you want to make this for yourself. And yeah. Sometime in the future, I am looking to launch my own custom play button store, but we're not there yet, so let's get more subscribers. And then you're probably thinking, bro, that's way too big. This is like how big a gold play button is. Well, it's going to be the dimensions of a normal sized piece of paper, but this was the smallest piece of wood that would be able to fit those dimensions, and that was thin enough so we could do it. We're going to cut this. This is just a wood art panel by I'm working on the play button for my cousin. Got the mirror glued in. I also made him a quick fake YouTube award letter, put NER, and then CEO of nothing currently, but I am the SEO of my YouTube channel, NER Productions, which you're watching right now. Make sure to subscribe. But of course you want to see the play button. I'm not sure if my cousin is gonna post a video reviewing it, but here you go. We have the mirror glued in. Sorry, got texturized. We got a sticker printed out, and then we put the sticker on right here to do that. So we kind of had to go around there, and it worked really well. Then the back I painted black. It's like texturized. I used a little bit of Flex Seal, then a latex coating. A lot of different layers. I started with the latex coating, then I had a little bit of Flex Seal over it to really seal some cracks and holes that were in here, and then I added a hammered texture to it, and it turned out pretty good. I like the mirror center piece, and like I feel like, yeah, it looks like a real like play button. Like to me, like if you saw this, like at first you would think that's a real play button. So yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed this, and yeah, got the letter. I wrote it myself. I don't want to read you out the entire thing. I know this video has already been long. Hope you haven't been enjoying the Christmas give back. Sorry I couldn't fit all the videos on Christmas, but more videos will be coming soon. Stay tuned. We are trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of the year, so make sure to subscribe. Yeah, share this video online. It's a really cool thing, and I've watched other YouTubers make bronze play buttons, and I don't think anyone, like, I don't want to brag or anything, but I feel like this one, it's like, it looks like really good. So if you could bring this out to like more audience and more people, and share it, it would really help. And I hope you agree, because this does look epic. Like, it looks real. looks really epic and cool, and it took a lot of hard work. There was a lot of struggles, but in the end we got it. And yeah, hope you have enjoyed this episode of the Christmas Give Back. Bye. So guys, what's up? Real quick, I just want to say I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of the year, and thank you for watching this video. Real quick, if you could like it, subscribe, and share this video online. Also, leave a comment down below about what you thought. That would just help the algorithm for more people to see this video. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of the year so I can provide better content for you. And I'm also going to be doing some crazy stuff, like maybe a set reveal and maybe making some stuff for you. And I want to say thank you so much for 59 subscribers.